guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Temu affiliate not working. So first thing first, make sure that you are using the latest version of your application. Head over to your Play Store, at the search bar, type in Temu. If you see update, tap on update. If you see open, your application is already updated. So simply open it. And you have to log into your account where you have your Temu affiliate. Once done, tap on the use section. And you will see a headphone icon just beside the gear icon. Tap onto it, wait for this to load, scroll all the way below and tap on Contact Us. Now at this section, simply type in that you are an affiliate of Temu and this is not working on your Temu account. Be very detailed with your problem so that Temu support can help you, and simply go ahead and chat for a couple minutes, then they will provide you a customized solution. Just like so guys, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching.